Tired of your business being a hidden gem while others shine online? Let's unlock the power of Google reviews in just a few simple steps and turn your satisfied customers into your biggest advocates. First, you absolutely need to claim and optimize your Google business profile. This is your digital storefront, so make sure all your information, from address and phone number to business hours and website link, is accurate and engaging. Step to consistently provide exceptional customer service. Happy customers are far more likely to leave positive reviews, so train your team to go the extra mile and create memorable experiences. Now, the crucial part: actively solicit reviews. The easiest way is to send a friendly follow-up email after a purchase or service, including a direct link to your Google review page. Don't forget to leverage your social media channels. Post regular reminders with clear calls to action, making it as easy as possible for customers to share their feedback. For brick-and-mortar businesses, consider displaying a QR code at your point of sale that customers can quickly scan to leave a review right then and there. And just like that, you're on your way to boosting your online visibility and credibility, attracting new customers, and watching your business thrive, all thanks to the power of Google reviews. #review generation #business profile.